Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldman Imports. Today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, an anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera, front and rear sensors. We've got our hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our turn pad and touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 29,096 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.